Hello everyone, and welcome back on COTT Electronics. Today we'll be discussing the various applications and how they're displayed, installed, and modified on our device. In order to make this easier to understand, let's start with the installer first. You can upload APK files to the portal and install them on the device. Each APK file comes with an Apple identification, but it's not necessary to install the app once you've uploaded it, seeing as you can always install or enable it whenever you like. For this example, let's install the Smart YouTube TV app and then go to the Applications prompt. Now that you have the ID, we can directly feature it on the device by adding the app to this page. We can provide a name and even a PIN, but we need an ID to complete the process. After we add the app, you can see it displayed on the device. If you'd like to still keep the app installed, but simultaneously stop featuring it on the device, you can always disable it with the Show It to User button. That's all for today everyone, and for more helpful videos from COTT Electronics, please visit our channel.